Just pet him. See, he's gentle. Hey guys, it's dark as balls out here right now. But got the tripod up. This is a little shot of the day before. I'm just gonna get the recording of me going to get some gas. But what we're gonna be doing in this video that will be uploaded tomorrow, I guess, is well, I guess I could turn the lights on in here so y'all can see a little bit. Is going to get my son. Now we're gonna go get gas for in the morning, so I can get up early, go pick her up, go get the, and then somehow keep it from Tyler till August 7th. And I'm gonna have like a little nighttime clip right here that'll transform into day. I thought that'd be a little bit cool. So let's get to it. Gas, and now here's going to come the time lapse from day to night. So or night to day. It's already night, so we'll catch you when we get to there, and I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Well, I'll talk to y'all in this video, but I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. So and I'm sorry about that whining noise. That's my power steering pump. I need a new one, but right now it's lasting me. So
here we go.
alright, good morning guys. Well, it's the next day. It's day 2 of this, I guess, 2-day part vlog. I just started the last vlog at night for some reason. But it's pretty early in the morning. We just got here to get Brittany. I brought some clothes to her house to get a shower. And yeah, really, I mean, there's nothing really to vlog until we get dressed and get the showers, and then get ready to go get the. Alright, got the shower all taken care of. No mess right here. Counting her money because we're broke. But I'm gonna go get this thing that I've already said in the video, but I'm bleeped out because y'all can't know about it yet. So yeah, we're fixing to head that way to go get it. Little Miss over here is fixing to start her channel, so be on the lookout for that. If she ever decides to actually make the first video. She's scared. But gonna help her out with that. So gonna be throwing her videos in the link in the description. And yeah, we'll see y'all on the way to go pop the hood for me. You know how to pop the hood? It's right there under the door. It says hood. Or right under the dash, it says hood. Oh lordy.
What am I doing wrong?
It says hood. Pull on it. There you go.
I was pushing.
Alright. See the paint coming off the grill. Had to stop and get some power steering fluid. Hold this for me. I do not recommend this. This brand anyways. Oh yeah, she's old. That little thing should either fill it up or last you long enough, but that's just a tip. Don't buy this shit though. Guys, we got the surprise in the box, which y'all won't get to know till later. So we're gonna get some food. Waiting on that right now, and when we get home I'll show you the surprise.
I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, we just made it home. Haven't even got a chance to eat yet, but I figured I'd show y'all a surprise. This is Tyler's new bunny,
Say hi to Millie.
and we chose this one. He liked the black one that we showed him the other day, but we chose this one. So I didn't name her Millie. We didn't even know if it was a boy or a girl when we got it, but just a little addition to the family. It's staying at her house, not mine. But Shelly, if you've seen this, it wasn't my idea, it was her. But I'm sure he'll love it. And I'll talk to y'all when I get on my way back home to go see Tyler. I have him for the next 2 weeks, so uploads are a little bit slow. That's why. But I'm trying to record as much as I can with her, the new bunny, Tyler. Of course, he's going to see him on his birthday and stuff, and probably even before then. Alright guys, it's like 90 degrees in this truck, but as you can see, we got Tyler a bunny. Be sure to Hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video. Smash that subscribe button because, I mean, it means a lot to me to see some support. Leave a comment down below. We're still thinking of name ideas. I think we chose Millie, is what Brittany said, but it is a little girl. It's brown and white. And yeah, just please welcome this new addition to our family, and hopefully it lasts till Tyler's birthday.